Hey, so we're here with Control Finance. This is a new company that I'm investing my money into. Taking the proceeds from BitConnect, from my referrals, transferring over to this company here. It's legit. I like the way everything's presented. I like the information they give about how they manage their trading portfolio, and just pretty much all around everything about this company. So how this company makes money is that they have the portfolio on Poloniex. They hold and trade cryptocurrencies for you. They manage all that for you and give you out a 1% average daily interest. The more money you lend out to this company, the more interest you earn. So I'll go over that in just a second. But here we go at the home page here. Let's look a little bit about what they are. Alright, so this company is going global. China, Japan, Germany, Turkey, Malaysia. They have an introductory video here. Let's see. You contact them directly here. They're very good and responsive as well. They also have Skype. They also have their telephone number right up here if you want to get in touch with them directly. And that's what I like about this company. It's very transparent. Everything's right there laid out for you. They even have their application, company name, address right there. It's a private limited company, company numbers there. The director, Benjamin Reynolds, address. It's great. Everything that you want to see, it's all there, transparent, nothing to hide at all. It also has SSL, very secure to have that. And I wouldn't trust any website that doesn't have SSL security on the website, where your privacy and information is going to be at risk. There goes address. You contact the owner, Reynolds Benjamin, directly. And also they have a Facebook account as well. Alright, so enough of that here. Going down to their trade report. This is one of the most important things that got me attracted to this investment opportunity. So with the trade reports, you can see their entire portfolio on Poloniex, how they trade, and they also even have a brief summary for that week. So this is the most recent one, and I'm going to go ahead and read this out to you. So this happened in March 7th through, July 3rd through July 9th. It says, we observed Bitcoin existing correction territory for short terms during the previous trading week. Meanwhile, Litecoin related forecasts also scored. We successfully traded other altcoins as well. The current period is not the simplest for cryptocurrencies market because of several implementations and the fact that July is traditionally not the most successful month for trading. But even in this situation, we continue to demonstrate stable results with a total profitability of about 2 to 3% per day. Concerning Bitcoin USD pair, we continue trading with the corridor. We expect a drop to USD 1800 for 1 Bitcoin. It can happen. That's why we plan putting buy orders covering this point. So now, I actually read this today, and it's July 17th. Okay, so now when they actually predicted that this $1,800 value that Bitcoin would drop to, it got pretty close over the weekend. So this is actually really great information. They're knowledgeable about what they're trading. They know what they're doing. Concerning other pairs of cheap altcoins, we perform trading with short transactions. These cryptocurrencies such as Digibyte and Decred are heavily overbought. We expect NEM to drop below USD5 relatively soon, while Siacoin will drop to about 250 Satoshi. We will buy Ethereum when it falls below USD 200. So just as they expected, everything fell through, and the prices did drop to those kind of levels. Alright, so that's really good to see that they do have a little brief summary for that week. And just to zoom in a little bit, you can see their balances on Poloniex. One right there. Smaller amount of Bitcoin. And also they have their charts for Bitcoin. The buy and sell, 9% weekly profit. They have everything laid out for you right here. DGB as well, 20% weekly profit. Dash, 18% weekly profit. You can see the minimum buy, the max sell orders, then they plotted out in the graph too as well, where they purchased it, where they sold it, purchased it, and sold it. Alright, so that's for one of their trade reports. Let's look at another one here. Actually, let's look at one back here. This one's from June 19th to June 25th. And you can even see their exchanges, their buys, their sells, their buys, their sells. So it's all laid out for you. It's totally transparent. You see everything that they're doing in terms of the trading portfolio. So this is not like BitConnect's Autobot. They're actually physically trading these coins. They have a really good team to do it, as you can see that they've been successful, right, every single week. So I do suggest you go in and check this section out, all the trade reports, and get a better understanding of how they control the finances for everybody. Alright, so premium and VIP. What is this here? VIP client with deposits starting from not 3,000 but 300. With a small deposit as VIPs, you get bonuses. Right, so let's go into the investment offer. Try to understand exactly what was that bonus that they mentioned about. So with $300, bonuses from 3 to 15%. Depending on the results of trading activity, we're adding bonus interest to deposits on a daily basis. This bonus interest will be added. Perfect, perfect. So on this next page, let me show you. With $300, you get 1.10%. With $1,000, you get 1.25%. With a $4,500 loan, you get 1.4%, and a $10,000 loan, you get 1.5%. It's really good returns for daily interest. Your minimum is $10. That's anyone can afford that. Anyone in their right mind, you know, that wants to make some money with low risk, high returns, you $10. How do you go wrong with that? With $10, you can even compound interest to make a lot of money. Maximum deposit $30,000. Standard daily rate 1% daily, and it's for lifetime here. So put your $10 in now, compound the interest daily, and watch it grow for lifetime. Just keep collecting. But with any of these high yield investments, who knows? You know, there's always going to be a potential risk, right? The site could get hacked. Anything could happen. Any kind of investment, it doesn't matter what it is. It's all the same. You are risking the amount that you put in for any investment. There's no guarantees. But so you do your research, study, you know, figure out your risk to reward, and then you go from there. And I am not an financial advisor by any way. This is just for educational purposes. Also right here you calculate how much you can earn, and these calculations are not with daily reinvestment. This is just by with how much you earn daily without reinvesting. Okay, so with $1,000, $12.50 a day. Weekly earnings $87.50. Monthly, you can make $375 a month with $1,000 investment every month, right? So that would cover your auto bill, your financing on your vehicle. That could cover for some of your outstanding credit card balances. That will take care of that. So you put $1,000 in, just keep collecting that amount out, and that's how much you get. Yearly earnings $4,500 with $1,000 investment. Now that's not even with reinvestment and compound interest. That's just purely just pulling the money out every single day. So how long would it take you to get $1,000 back? $375, probably 2 months and a half. 2 months and a half, you will have your initial deposit back. That is fast. That is very fast. And this website is new. It just started probably no more than, I think, 3 weeks ago. Well, at least when I start hearing about it. But it's growing fast. The number of members are just piling in right now. So it's something to really look after and start thinking about. So deposit and payments, reinvestment available. That's auto reinvest. You can just set it, forget it. That's the best thing about this this opportunity here. You just don't have to look at it again. Put your amount in, you can just walk away and you're all set. No work to be done. This is one of the easiest things that you can ever do in terms of investing. You don't have to trade anything, buy and sell. They do it all for you. So that's the best part about this program. Time for withdrawal, instant withdrawals. That's good to hear. Minimum withdrawal amount 0.01. Minimum top up amount $10 is the lowest amount you can actually top off your amount to invest. Profit accrual 7 days a week. Alright, so let's see what happens if you, let's say, didn't have that much money and you wanted to put just $100. With $100 you can still earn $30 a month. Your $100 would be $365 within a year. That's a pretty safe place to put $100, right? If you're going to grow it by 3.5 in a year. Why not? It's $100. Like, that $100 would go away within a day, you know, spending on shopping, night out at the bars, you know, just nonsense that doesn't really help you grow money, right? So, investment offer, let's see, affiliate programs. Here goes the affiliate side of it. Let's see what they have. Alright, so what's really nice is that with the more money you deposit, the more percent you earn for your referrals. So for example, the beginner level, if you don't meet the $300, the intermediate level, you earn 5% for everybody you refer. Now, I don't recommend joining this program without actually investing into it and try to promote it and refer to people, because you yourself did not invest into this, so why should they, right? If you believe in this program and you understand it, then I suggest promoting it. But if you didn't invest in it, don't bother referring it. It doesn't make any sense, you know. Alright, so the $300 mark, that's when you can start earning 10% for your first tier, first referral, and then down the line 5%, 3%, 1%. $1,000 mark, this is actually where I started off with. So it starts with this pretty handsome reward of 15% referral bonus, 5%, 3%, 1%, 1%, and it goes higher from there on. So this is the next level I want to get to, 4,500. I already deposited 2,000, right? So if I continue to deposit more money until I reach the 4,500 balance in Control Finance, I could start earning the 20% referral bonuses, right? So it's not considered two separate loans. If I put 2,000 now and 2,005 later, I'll still be stuck with the 15%. Because the minimum is 1,000. That's not how it works. With this, you can actually combine and add on to your balance, to your loan balance, to get the target goal of 4,500 or to the next level up to get a higher tier referral bonus. That's what I love about this. With BitConnect, I believe each loan is created separately and it's acted as separate, so they don't really stack your loan amount for you. So this is a big benefit of Control Finance when it comes to that area. Alright, they do have another video here on the referral program, and they break it down a little more in a better diagram to explain and show it. So off to promotion materials. What is this here? Alright, so if you have a website or you want to do any digital marketing, this is all set up for you. Good to go. You could put it on your website. Anyone that clicks it, it will go through your link, and if they do a loan, you will earn that referral bonus, which is an excellent way to start marketing. Just with all these here, it's all set up and designed to attract customers. Bright red is flashy, it catches your attention, you know, have these cool percentage zooming in and out. This is just very catchy, very catchy. I like it. Definitely something I'm going to look into too in terms of affiliate marketing. Our brand book download PDF, start developing best site right now. I might even take a look at that too. Let's see, what is this about? Brand book PDF. Oh, okay, logo. Alright, so this brand book looks like it's just telling you what not to do and what's okay to do for their logos. And I totally get that. You don't want to start having people redesigning the logos or using the logos in the wrong way, so that would distort the brand image. They want everything to look nice, clean, and professional, which they definitely are really putting the instructions there to make sure everyone's on the same page. This looks good. This looks good. Very professional. They spend a lot of time on this website, you can tell. This is not just a company that's here for such a short time and trying to, you know, just make a quick profit. This company it's really well thought out. It's well presented. It's clean, very straightforward, easy to understand, and that's why I like this website a lot. A lot more than my other website like I'm missing on USI Tech as well. This is so much more easier to understand, so much better, more transparent. Definitely like this part of it. That's good. Representatives. Let's see what this is. Alright, become official representative. Second tier, managers of the program. So they have representatives all over the world, and you could see right here. Let's look for United States, see what we have. And you have all these representatives in USA. I believe they're starting their offices here, as they have certain times, 9 to 5. This is pretty cool. I like this. Some people even have Facebook and Twitter all set up. Now, I wonder, is this Crypto Bros that I always like to watch? Their YouTube channel. Crypto Brothers, should be them. Glad to see if that's them that they're investing into this program. Then they know what's good. Alright. Getting started. Media. Contact, same thing. You have the Skype, Telegram, email right there, address. This is nice. This is really nice. It has everything laid out perfectly. Perfect, perfect. That's great. Bitcoin Payer, Advanced Cash, Perfect Money. These are all the payments methods that you can use to send them money for the loan. The homepage. So this is Control Finance. You might want to come in and take a quick look and see what do you like about it, because I'm telling you, this thing is taking off. Okay. Control Finance already has 4,000. Here we go. So now they're already at 7,053,000. They're at 7 million already with 4,368 clients. I like to see this thing keep growing. It's good that I can keep track of it right here on the front. And it's growing. It's growing by the day. So hop on it, check it out. You know, if there's any questions, please go ahead and ask me on the comments below. Make sure you subscribe, definitely, and like and share if you can. And hope to see you soon.